Eager to elevate your fashion game? Well, you've stumbled upon the right video. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of fashion, and not just any fashion, but fashion that's tailored to you. We understand that style is personal and unique to each individual, and that's why we're here to help you navigate through the vast sea of fashion choices. From understanding your body shape, investing in quality basics, playing with colors and patterns, accessorizing like a pro, to tailoring your clothes for that perfect fit, we've got it all covered. Not to mention, we'll also be discussing the key ingredient in any fashion recipe: confidence. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what you wear, but how you wear it. So buckle up, fashion enthusiasts, as we embark on this style journey together. Stay tuned to discover how to unleash your inner fashionista. Ever wondered why some outfits just seem to work better than others? It's all about understanding your body shape, a fundamental step to enhancing your style. Let's break it down. Firstly, we have the hourglass shape. Characterized by balanced bust and hip measurements with a well-defined waist, hourglass figures are complemented by styles that accentuate those lovely curves. Think fitted dresses and belted waists. Next up, the pear shape. If your hips are wider than your shoulders but you have a well-defined waist, you likely fall into this category. A-line skirts and structured tops can help balance your proportions beautifully. The apple shape is next. If you have broad shoulders, a full waist, and slimmer hips and thighs, you're an apple. Flowing tops and straight leg pants can create a harmonious silhouette. Finally, the rectangle shape. If your shoulders, waist, and hips are around the same width, you're a rectangle. Creating curves is your game. Wrap dresses and high-waisted styles are your best friends. Understanding your body shape is not about fitting into a box, it's about knowing your proportions and using them to your advantage. The right outfit can enhance your natural beauty, highlight your best features, and make you feel confident and comfortable. So remember, knowing your body shape is the first step to looking fabulous. But don't forget, fashion is subjective. What matters most is that you feel good in your clothes. After all, confidence is the most stylish accessory you can wear. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of fashion in the upcoming scenes. Ever find yourself with a wardrobe full of clothes and nothing to wear? It's a common predicament, but don't worry, there is a solution. Investing in quality basics is the answer. Think of your wardrobe as a house. Just as a house needs a solid foundation to stand strong, your wardrobe needs a foundation of quality basics to build upon. These are the timeless, versatile pieces that form the backbone of your style. So, what are these basics we're talking about? They're the classic pieces that never go out of style. A crisp white shirt that you can pair with anything from jeans to a pencil skirt. Well-fitted jeans that hug your curves just right. A tailored blazer that can make any outfit look polished. And the little black dress, that faithful companion ready to step in for any occasion. These basics are not just versatile, they're also timeless. They've been in style for decades and will continue to be in fashion for years to come. So, when you invest in these pieces, you're not just buying clothes, you're investing in your style quotient. But remember, quality over quantity is the mantra. It's better to have fewer pieces that fit well and are made of good material than a closet full of ill-fitting, poor-quality items. So, start building your wardrobe with these essential basics. Mix and match them, dress them up or down, the possibilities are endless. Quality basics are the foundation of any stylish wardrobe. Ready to add some spice to your style? Let's dive into the vibrant world of colors and patterns. They're not just for the runway anymore. They can be your secret weapon to make your outfits stand out in the crowd. Think of color as your canvas. It's your opportunity to make a statement. If you've mostly stuck to neutrals in the past, it's time to branch out. Try adding a bold red blazer to your classic white shirt and jeans combo, or switch your regular black pumps for a pair of sapphire blue heels. The key is to start small and gradually expand your color palette. Onto patterns, they can be a bit tricky, but oh so rewarding when done right. Stripes, polka dots, florals, animal prints, the options are endless. The trick is to balance your patterns. If you're wearing a floral blouse, pair it with a solid color skirt or trousers to avoid overwhelming your ensemble. Mixing and matching patterns is an art. It's all about finding a common color or theme between the patterns. For instance, a striped shirt can pair well with a floral skirt if they share a common color. And for those who are more adventurous, why not try color blocking? Pairing contrasting colors can create a visually striking look. Think a cobalt blue skirt with a lemon yellow top. Remember, colors and patterns can be your best friends in fashion. They add personality, depth, and a touch of playfulness to your style. So step out of your comfort zone and start playing with colors and patterns today. Want to take your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary? Let's talk about the power of accessories. The right accessory can add that perfect finishing touch, transforming your look from simple to stunning in an instant. Think of accessories as the icing on the cake. They can add depth, personality, and a dash of your unique style to any outfit. Whether it's a statement necklace, a chic handbag, a stylish scarf, or a pair of trendy sunglasses, each accessory can make a significant impact. But how do you choose the right accessories? Start by considering the occasion. For a formal event, you might opt for elegant pieces like pearl earrings or a classy clutch. On a casual day out, a funky hat or a vibrant tote could be just the ticket. Next, think about balance. If your outfit is busy with patterns or colors, choose understated accessories to keep your look cohesive. On the flip side, if your clothes are more on the minimalist side, that's your cue to let your accessories shine. You might go for a bold statement necklace or a pair of eye-catching earrings. Don't forget about the smaller details too. Belts, hats, and shoes may seem minor, but they can make a world of difference. A sleek belt can cinch your waist and create a flattering silhouette, while a pair of killer heels can add height and confidence. The right accessories can truly elevate your look. So, go ahead and experiment. Find the pieces that speak to you and let them work their magic. After all, fashion is all about expressing your unique style. Ever noticed how some people always look put together? Their secret isn't necessarily high-end brands or the latest trends. More often than not, it's all about the fit. Clothes that fit just right can make any outfit look expensive and polished. Think about it. A shirt that hugs your waist, a pair of jeans that accentuates your curves, a blazer that cinches at just the right spot. These are the details that transform an outfit from okay to outstanding. But how do you achieve this perfect fit? The answer is tailoring. Tailoring isn't just for tuxedos and wedding dresses, it's an essential part of everyday style. Tailors are like magicians, altering your clothes to fit your unique body shape. They take into account your proportions, your height, and your preferences to create pieces that flatter you from every angle. Investing in tailoring can seem like a luxury, but consider this. A well-tailored piece can be worn for years and years, always making you look and feel your best. It's a long-term investment in your style and confidence. So start with your basics. Take that classic white shirt or pair of jeans to a local tailor. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Remember, a well-fitted garment is worth its weight in gold. Looking for the ultimate fashion accessory? You might be surprised to learn it's not a designer handbag or a pair of high-end shoes. No, the most powerful accessory you can wear is confidence. Think about it. Confidence is that magical element that transforms an ordinary outfit into a head-turner. It's the sparkle in your eye when you know you look good. It's the straightness of your posture, the spring in your step, the allure that draws people in. Confidence is the invisible yet undeniable aura that surrounds you when you're at ease with yourself and your style choices. And here's the thing about confidence. It's not something you can buy off a rack. It's something you cultivate from within. It's about knowing who you are, what you like, and what makes you feel good. It's about embracing your individuality and expressing it through your fashion choices. It's about owning your style, not borrowing someone else's. So how do you wear confidence? You wear it by dressing in a way that reflects your personality and flatters your figure. You wear it by experimenting with different looks until you find the ones that make you feel like $1,000,000. You wear it by stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new trends. You wear it by strutting your stuff, even if it's just down the grocery store aisle. Confidence is your best accessory. Wear it well. Ready to slay every outfit? With these tips in your fashion arsenal, you're well on your way to elevating your style game. Let's quickly recap. Understanding your body shape is the first step to dressing in a way that flatters and suits you best. Investing in quality basics provides a versatile and timeless foundation for your wardrobe. Don't shy away from playing with colors and patterns to make a statement. And of course, accessorizing like a pro can take any outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, tailoring your clothes for a perfect fit can make a world of difference. But above all, confidence is key. Own your style choices, carry yourself with poise, and let your confidence shine through. Fashion is all about self-expression, so have fun and experiment with different looks. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite styling tips in the comments below. Stay fabulous. Hey everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video on Elevate Your Fashion Game, Top Styling Tips for Women. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video from your favorite fashionista. Also, ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, and if you have any thoughts or requests, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Your feedback and suggestions are what help us create better and more relevant content for you. If you tried any of these tips, feel free to share your experiences too. We'd love to hear how they worked for you. Until next time, stay stylish and take care. Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the Fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,